Actually, imbalance is a when market push higher or lower in a unhealthy price action. Actually, so this one is a called imbalance between both of candles, gap between both of candle, right? So
Yeah.
these are imbalance, right? And same thing is here happen here. So this one is also imbalance,
Mhm.
right? And here also imbalance, right? So these are imbalance and
Okay.
order block last buying movement before the sell. So suppose this one is not properly, but this one is here order block, and next order block is here. Why I did not choose this one order block? This is a simple reason. You can see that last buying candle before the drop is not here. Okay, actually last swing high and last buying candle before the drop is here. So next candle, which one is showing white little bit, and they already mitigate the low is here.
Mhm.
Okay, so I will not count this one. Okay, and this one is also not counted because this order block is partially even up fully mitigated by the next large candle to the upside. Okay, so we will not count this one also. You can see this one. Okay, so if divide the next candle. So next market push the downside and create a completely bearish order block is here. This one is a last buying candle before the this drop, and this one is not valid for me, right? And this one is a valid.
So the other block basically would be the last candle after an imbalance candle.
Yeah,
Okay. Does it
last.
have to be a bearish or a bullish candle? Like, does it have to be a specific candle um, color?
Mhm. Actually, this type of dozy we will also count if this one is not mitigated by this one. Okay,
Okay.
so okay, and let's look at this one here. Market break the structure is here,
Mhm.
and this one is also order block. Okay, this was last move before the drop this move. Okay, so this one is also bearish order block.
Okay.
And then what happened next time market break the structure and create another order block, which one is here. This
Mhm.
last candle was buying and next candle drop to the downside, and next time market tap this order block and push to the downside. Okay, everything is clear till now. You are,
Yeah,
if not you can ask me.
yeah, because that has been the area where I've always had confusion as to um,
Where
how to pick the other blocks.
okay,
Yeah.
first of all, pick the order block. You have to understand and you have to mark the structure. Okay,
Mhm.
as I told you in a starting that you have to mark the structure. First of all, wait for the structure, broken the structure.
Mhm.
Okay,
Yeah.
first wait for the break of the structure, then wait for the retrace and look at the left side and where is the next buying momentum before the drop. So
Okay.
you can see multiple order block.
Mhm.
Fine. Okay, so this one is a not valid as I told you, and this one is a valid. So we will wait for the confirmation to mitigate this zone, and we would like to sell here.
Okay.
Why? Because market break the structure is here.
Mhm.
Okay, and next time this one is a swing low, which one is here. And if market break this low, then we would like to sell again.
Yeah.
Okay. And let me show you one more thing here. Go back, please. Okay. So if market, so this one is a not confirmed high. Okay. And maybe market push higher like this, and then again push to the downside. So we will count this one lower high, and
Okay.
this one is close, and this one is a lower high. If market did not, sorry, okay. If market break this low, okay, so we will count this one is a lower high
Yeah.
until broken this low or high. Okay.
Okay.
Market did not close below it, and has, and one more thing, before to change of characteristic and break of structure, you must need to close the candlestick below or above,
Okay.
right? In case, yeah, in this case, you can see there is a completely candle close below the previous low. So this one is a valid. Okay. If
Okay.
candle uh, came and push upside, so this one is a not valid. If
Right. Okay.
market push the downside and push higher, so this one is a like a work like a liquidity. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
In case you can see market
Yes.
completely
Yeah.
close below it, fine. So this one become our valid change, sorry, break of structure.
Okay.
Okay. So in this entire zone, you have to identify the where is the order block. Okay. So you can see this one is a last buying momental before the sell. So this one is already mitigated by this move.
That candle.
Okay. And the next candle is here before the drop is here, because there is an imbalance also. Okay. And the last buying candle before the drop. So this one is a valid for me.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So you take the body size to kind of get the range, the area, sorry.
Mhm.
Right? Okay, okay, great.
This one is a not confirmed low is here. I'm just telling you. This last selling candle is here. Okay. And next candle break this low,
Yeah,
but did not close above it.
above. Yeah.
Let me show you. This one is important. You can easily identify the where is the next low or high if you know this thing. Suppose this is a last selling candle, okay, and next candle did not close above it. If market close above it, so this will become our next swing low, confirmed swing low. Okay, if market close above it, but market did not close above it, and next candle is also not close above it, so that means there is a not confirmed low is here. Okay, we will wait for the another confirmation.
Okay.
So you can see here, this one is very important. You have to understand. This last low is here and sweep by this candle. Okay. But now your recent swing low is here. Here. Like candles low is here. But this low is not confirmed. Maybe in a future, maybe next candle. Let me show you by this. Okay. So still low is here, but this one is a not confirmed. We would like to wait for the confirmation.
Okay.
Okay. And how we will confirm? If market next candle close above it without sweeping the low.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So this will become our swing low, right? If not, and next candle broke this low, so we will wait for the next candle. Okay.
Correct.
Yeah. So now you can see here this candle sweep by the next candle, which one is here. Okay. And did not close above it. So yeah, fine. So currently these are low, these are our low. And if next candle close above it, okay, so this will become our original low. I mean, valid, yeah, confirmed low. Sorry. Okay. So now you can see next candle did not sweep the low and close above it.
Above it. Yeah.
Okay. So this one become our now confirmed low.
Yes.
And we would like to sell here at this point because
Okay.
this is our order block.
Mm-hmm.
Fine. If market did not reach this level and came back to the downside and close below it, and then we would like to sell here.
Okay.
Okay, because this one is a confirmed low, and
Yeah.
maybe market push more higher and then push to the downside and move something like this.
Okay.
Fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you can see next candle close below it
You know.
perfectly. Okay, so this means this is our swing low, and this one become our most swing high. Okay, and we will not wait for this level.
Okay.
Okay, and this one become our next order block, which one is here.
Okay.
Excuse me. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so this one become our order block and sell here and
Okay.
target as per the plan. Okay,
Okay. And
so
target
why
the
we are selling here?
next.
Because there is a completely order block and structure is have this entry is a valid. Okay, suppose in this case market hit the stop loss. Suppose, okay, so this loss will be your valid loss
Mm-hmm.
because you are following our trading plan,
Yeah.
right? Okay, now you can see market mitigate this order block. I mean, tap this order block here, right? And they now this one is a not confirmed low still because next candle did not close above it.
Above it. Yeah.
Okay, so maybe market push more downside, then create a low, confirm low. So we would like to wait for the confirmation. Okay, next candle create low is here.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if market close above it. So this point become our confirm low.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and if not close and below, then we will adjust our high or low. Exactly. Now you can see this next candle close above it. So
Yeah.
this become our confirmed.
Swing low.
Okay.
Yeah.
And swing structure high is here.
Mm-hmm.
And if market go higher, then they should break this structure. Which one
Yeah.
is here? Black. Okay. If market broke the this black line, okay, and close above it, that means momentum is a shift bearish to bullish. If market unable to break this high and push to the downside, it means momentum is a bearish and trend will be continue.
Mm-hmm.
Fine. Okay. Now you can see market break the
Great
previous low
structure.
but did not close below it. Okay. So this one is not our break of structure, right? But we will count as a swing low here.
Okay.
Okay. And if market break this structure is here completely, then we would like to sell again here. This one is our next order
Next.
block.
Okay.
Order block. So in this case, we will not sell here because market did not close below it previous swing lows. Okay, and our target will be continue and trade will be continue, and we would like to another position wait for the confirmation. Yeah. Now you can see exactly here market tap. I mean, sorry, break this low and close up below
Those
it.
patterns, yeah.
Okay, so this become our next order block. Where is here?
Okay.
Okay, and now if we mark this one is a last also buying candle before the drop, but this candle is mitigated by the next candle, which one is here. So we will not count this one. Okay, so this one is not valid for me, and valid order block is here. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and this high become our swing high, lower high.
Yeah.
Okay, and first trade which was stop loss here, and we will move on the stop loss above it.
Okay.
Okay, and next trade will be open here, and target will be previous swing high, which one is here.
Yeah.
Okay, if market break this structure, this order block, okay, and close above it, this is a swing high. So structure is a change, bearish to bullish. If market did not close above it, then very highly chances market tap this order block and push to the downside here and push to the downside. If market did not close, respect this, so probably go higher and close above it. So we would like to long.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yeah.
and because in a left side we have a order block, which one is here. I mean demand zone. Okay, so time to time you have to check in a left side your order block, your imbalance, your liquidity point as
Yeah.
well as. I'm just teaching you about finding the correct order block, not
Other, yeah.
entry, and we will
Yeah.
talk about in the next session of entry. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Sure.
yeah, fine. So this order block is not tapped by this candle and market push to the downside. And now we can see which was next order block was here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right. So this order, market tapped the previous demand zone, which was here, I think 15 minute also. No,
That
5
was.
minute.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so 5 minute order block tapped here, demand zone tap here. So we will not take risk entry for sell because market mainly follow the higher time frame structure. For
Yeah.
example, this one is a major swing and market broke this high right here and market coming to the downside to mitigate this demand zone and possibly go higher,
Okay.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Now you can see here in a 5-minute structure, this was our swing high, which one is here,
Mhm.
and a swing low is confirmed here. Now here,
Yeah.
okay, and this order block is filled, but structure is still bearish. Why?
Yeah.
Because our swing high
Block.
structure
Yeah.
is here
Mm-hmm.
and swing structure low is here, and this one is still not broken by this low. So we will
Correct.
wait for the confirmation to take another entry if market goes to the downside here and close below it. So then we would like to sell again. Okay, and this low is confirmed here. Why? Because this candle is closing our bid. This one sweep high, this candle, and this sweep high, this candle, and this candle is now sweep and this low, and this happen in a corrective range, in a market in a ranging,
Yeah.
right? Because our swing high is here and swing low is here. If market happen, anything happen between this range, so these are internal range.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah. Now it's fine and completely, yeah, broken by this candle, and on the major structure is also broken. So, and this point is very important. If when market broke this low, so the last buying candle before the sell, where is our, so first one is here.
Yeah.
Okay, now you can see this one is a clear. So this one is also like a order block. You can say order block or supply zone or a PY zone, whatever you call. But this one is our actually PY zone where we can take a risk for the sell. Okay, and next one is on the extreme on the nth
Without.
zone. Okay, so basically in this move there is a two bearish order block.
Yeah.
Okay, so when we got a multiple order block in a row, so how we can deal both of them? Okay, so first rule is here: if you are taking a 1% or 0.5% on your account, then take the 50% of the first entry is here. Suppose you are taking a 1%, then 0.5% take on it and 0.5% on it.
Okay.
Okay, so this one is a first scenario, and second one is here. If this happen in a little bit higher time frame, like 5 minute, 15 minute, and 1 hour, same thing, then we can wait for the mitigation and wait for the price reaction in a lower time frame. Like this one is a 5 minute, then wait for the 1 minute lower time frame confirmation entry.
Okay.
Understand?
Yeah.
And why I'm saying here, sometime what happened, market push higher and little bit reaction and again continue to higher. And if you are selling here, then very highly probably your stop loss will hit.
Your stop loss. Yeah.
Okay, so if market push higher, then wait for the confirmation and like chalk and bounce. Okay, and sell it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, and next scenario is here: if market failed first order block and then wait for the extreme order block, which one is here, right? So sell, you can directly sell here because this one is a last extreme order block.
Order
Okay,
block.
so you can directly sell here. Okay, so these are 2 3 scenario happen every time
Mm-hmm.
market stepped completely here. Okay,
Yeah.
then you switch in a 1 minute structure, then we can if look any good opportunity here. Okay, in a 1 minute, let me show you. In a 1 minute structure is here,
Mm-hmm.
price broken by this
That
move.
one.
Okay, and now you can see here these are market range, and
Mm-hmm.
If we count a trend like a one minute structure, so we can see these are structure like here,
Yeah.
and this one higher high, and this last high was here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Why I choose this one is high, and we can choose this one is also, but you can see the last high is here, the next candle break this low, okay, the next candle is also our, I mean, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
the next candle did not close below it, and
Yeah.
the next after that next candle did not break the high or low, I mean close below it. Then what happened? uh, this third candle formed here and did not break the previous swing high and create a equal size types, okay. So
Yeah.
these
Mm-hmm.
are equal size, so we can uh, consider this one is also and this one is also, because both high is
Equal
same,
heights.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so this candle is here and next candle and candle close here, and the next candle this high is here and candle came back here and next candle close below it, so this one become our valid and confirm high, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because next candle close below it, so this
Low.
become our confirm high. And where is our low? Which one is here? Okay, so
Yeah.
if market wanna downside, so they wanna break this zone,
True.
I mean, this
Yeah.
low, okay. If
Mm-hmm.
market break this low, then very highly chances market go in a lower direction, okay, because you are following the higher time frame supply zone.
Yeah.
You don't we can take a risk for sell here directly here. Why? Because we have a multiple order block on the extreme point, which one is here also,
Yeah.
okay. So we cannot sell here, we can sell here directly because we have nothing else above it.
Yeah. But because we have that other block above it, then it's
Yeah,
not. Yeah. Correct.
this one is our extreme order block is here. If market broke above it, that means market momentum is a change.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we can sell here directly. Okay, and we can take another confirmation entry where market tap this zone. Okay, and wait for the 1 minute confirmation for the sell.
Okay.
So we can take two types of entry here. Okay, market tap this order block,
Mm-hmm.
fine, and push to the downside.
Yeah. And breaks
And
the.
yeah, our next low is here. I mean, low was here. If
Mm-hmm.
market close below it, then we would like to trail our stop loss on a break even. Okay,
Okay.
because yeah, because our recent swing high or low is here.
Yeah.
Previous swing high or low is here. Okay, so basically these 2 points, our swing high or low, and the market ranging between with
Between
high
the
or
two.
low.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so if market below it, go and close below it, so we will move stop loss on break even, right?
Yeah.
So
Understood.
yeah. And next candle close below it and completely push to the downside, and then what happened after that? We can see another order block. Market break this low and market create another order block. Which one is here?
That one.
Okay, and the next order block on the extreme point, which one is here. Okay, so in future market retrace on it, market came back here, then we will wait same confirmation like this in a
That
1
one.
minute confirmation. If not
Yeah.
happen, then wait for the this retracement. Okay,
Okay.
and silent.
Okay.
And one more thing, if market create a confirm low here and maybe here, then push upside and create a lower highs, lower lows, and lower highs, then we can take this structure, not this one.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry. So you can see market tap on it level. I mean here. Okay, and then market did not showing any reaction in a lower time frame, as well as if we switch into 1 minute structure, then we can see there is a no reaction.
Yeah.
Swing up.
Just yeah.
Okay, there is a no reaction in 1 minute. Then we cannot sell here. As I told you that don't sell if looks a multiple order block, multiple supply, then don't trust on the first one. Okay, if you sell here, then the stop loss. Okay, you can
Yeah.
sell on the extreme point. Which one is here? This one is a valid. Okay,
Yeah.
this one is a valid for you, but this first order block is a not valid. This one.
Yeah.
Okay, and this, and now market confirmed low is here.
So
Okay,
when you look to the left hand side, the area where we have the current swing low, that is because of other blocks on support and resistance level on the left hand side, right?
mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay.
Which side? I mean this one.
Yeah. That would be what is pushing
Yeah,
yeah.
exactly,
Okay.
exactly.
The reaction.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, actually, yeah, we were talking only. We were discussing about to identifying order block. Okay,
Yeah. Correct.
that I did not. Yeah. So this one order block is our next order block where we can sell directly sell here. Okay, and another types of entry on the confirmation entry for 1 minute confirmation right here like this. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, now you can see market break this zone. Okay, and close above it. That means momentum is a change. Okay, and if we look in a 1 minute structure, if we will look in a 1 minute structure, then we can see the next hour. I mean, swing high is here and swing low is here,
Yeah.
and market broke this high is here, right? And create a new high, which one is here. Okay, and low, and another high is here, and then market break this structure. I mean, change of characteristic.
So what is that called? Change of what?
Change of characteristic.
Okay, characteristic. Okay.
Okay, so market change of characteristic and push to the downside, and we were looking for the sell is here. I'm just
So when we have a change of characteristics, it means it's a reversal pattern. Okay.
actually a change of characteristic is a trend. I mean trend reversal sign.
Okay.
Okay, when you can see this as a bullish trend in a 1 minute. Okay, and then what happened? Market break the previous low. So this first move will be called as a change of characteristic.
Okay.
Okay. And if market take a pullback and push to the downside and break the previous low, so this one is a called break of structure.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So we can say this is a change of characteristic, and this was our order block for the sell in a 1 minute entry right here. Okay. And put the stop loss just above it, almost 1.5 pip maybe. Okay. And then market push upside like a crazy and hit the stop loss and go higher. Right. So why this happened? Because major time frame, I mean 1 5 minute structure is also broken. Okay. And market behavior has been changed. When market hit the stop loss, then market behavior has been changed if you're trading with your trading plan.
Yeah.
Okay. So that was the reason to hit the stop loss. Market behavior has been changed bearish to bullish. Okay. If the stop loss is a fine. Okay.
Yeah.
Because if you look into the 15-minute zone, we have multiple demand zone. Okay. So this was the 15-minute demand zone, and market momentum was
Upward.
very
Yeah.
highly, probably market pushed higher. That was the reason. If market did not test this level, then very highly chances market
Continuing the
pushing to the
downside.
downside. Okay, that was the reason.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm just uh, teaching you about only order
Other.
block to identify the order block, right? And
Correct.
in our next session, we will talk about entry, how you can take entry, and how you find the high probability entry, low probability. Okay.
Okay.
So, do you wanna ask me anything? Till now, everything is clear.
Yeah. Everything is play.
Okay.